For those of you that like to reload, here's a bit of a clip on my weekend project. It was to build a brass tumbler. This one's powered with a wiper motor. The wiper motor I've used here is one from a Renault. Found it on eBay for about $35. Now, I'll just take you a bit of a run through. Bucket, some rubber agitators glued in, sitting on caster wheels. I've got a power plug here, which was just an old microphone socket and plug that I adapted so I could disconnect the power source. The power source is actually a PC power supply, so I just pulled one of the lines, one of the 12-volt lines off that, taped up the rest of them. So there's a number of switches. This particular motor has a high speed and a low speed, so I've wired it to have the high speed and low speed. So that's low speed and that's high speed mode. Back to low, and the center spot is off. There's also a reverse on this one, because the way it works is there's a threaded bolt in the middle there, and if I hold on to this, you'll see that the thread will start unthreading itself, and there it is. So that's just a M8 coupler, M8 threaded, and inside the bucket is just another M8 coupler and some washers on either side. If I put this back into the wind-up mode, the opposite position, it'll start winding that threaded thing back on. So you can put it into high speed mode if you want it to wind on quickly, and then there it goes, it just grabbed. So this is my weekend project. This was actually a project which I saw on YouTube. So another guy actually made the first one that I saw. I've just made it, I think, a little bit better with the 2-speed mode. And I'll show you some brass that's come off it.